364 days since I've last been in this ring. 364 days since I last competed for Queensland Wrestling Alliance. 364 days since I faced off against Michinoku Pro Wrestling's best. It's been a long, hard journey coming back. Back in September, I was diagnosed with even more growth in my tumour. The doctors looked at me and they said, "There's nothing we can do for you. Take these forms, fill them out, leave your job because really got no chance of coming back from this." That's when I went down to Sydney and I got a second opinion, and the doctor down there said that not only was this beatable, but I would have 15 to 20 years to live after I've beaten it. The days have been hard. The medicines have been harder. Poisoning my whole body to kill a tumour inside my brain. It's left me sick. It's left me distraught. It's left me the weakest I've ever been. But it's also made me step up and become the most positive I have to be. There is no second option here. There was never another option to give up. It was only positivity from day one. And now, 364 days later, it has all been worth it. Watching all the guys come through, watching them develop, going from rookies to professional, proper pro wrestlers, it's been inspiring every single day. It's what drives me to get up. It's what drives me to go to the gym every single day, even when I'm feeling like shit. Even when I'm feeling terrible, I'm feeling sick, I just want to stay in bed. It makes me get up, it drives me, it motivates me, it makes me want to be better, not only for myself, not only for the fans, but for the wrestlers in the back as well. When this happened, I knew this wasn't the end. This was just going to be the start of a new chapter. And that starts tonight here at QWA Dominance.